Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Pixel 5, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. If you're looking for some cases for your Pixel 5, check out these two cases that Ghostek sent to me for review. They sent me out their Covert 4 case. Look at that. Then they also sent me out their Atomic Slim Case 3. So we're definitely gonna review them. We'll make sure how everything fits. Does it have much bulk? And can your wireless charge with the case on without taking it off? I need to give a shout out to Ghostek for actually sending these cases to me for a review. I'm going to start off with the Covert 4 case first, and then we get into the Atomic Slim one. But let's get into this video. Check out that nice packaging from Ghostek. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely do so. I mean, yeah, packaging is great. Let's see what you get in the package. You get the case, and then you get that little card. You get a sticker if you want to troll your friends. And then you get a thank you note. All right, so here's the case itself. Yes, it has a kickstand with some Ghostek branding. Look at the sides. It has like this extra grip for you. Look at the corner protection, has that cushion technology in there. Man, this is a nice looking case. Let's see how it fits on the phone. Look at the lip action you get all the way around the phone. Do you get camera protection in the back? Yes, you do. It shows off the beauty of your phone. The cutouts at the bottom look good. And then the microphone at the top too. Power button. Y'all hear it there, it's nice. That's pretty good. The fingerprint scanner is easy to find. Man, that's bright screen. I don't know why I have it turned up. The volume rockers work great. You can hear them nice and tactile. Let's see how the overall fit is. If my camera will focus. It's pretty good. I mean, you get a little loose around the cutouts, but not bad at all. The sides, little play, but I'm not too worried about that. It would take a lot to pull the case off of the phone. So what y'all think about this one? This is actually a nice case. Let's test out the kickstand. There you go. It works. You can watch YouTube, watch your favorite Cajun tech reviewer. So this is the Covert 4 case. I'm gonna check out the Atomic Slim case next. Let me get that one ready. Okay, so same type of packaging. If you want to pause the video again, you can read it. I like this case too because it will show off the beauty of your phone. You get the same type of materials in the inside. All right, going over this case, it looks great, but I just remember one thing really quick. Can your wireless charge with the Covert 4 case? Let's check that out. And yes, you can. No big deal. Back to the Atomic Slim. All right, so this is the Atomic Slim case. Yes, it has that clear back, so it will show off your phone. A little branding on the bottom. It also has some grip on the sides, as you can tell. The power button and volume rockers are like a metal coated looking material there. This is a nice looking case. Let's see again how it fits. Y'all heard that, right? All around. You definitely have that lip protection you're looking for. Yes, you get that camera protection. Look at the fingerprint scanner too. Looks good. Look at the beauty of your phone. That black and green looks good. The cutouts look great too. See, focus, there you go. Cut up at the top, looks good from where I'm seeing it. Let's test out the volume rockers. With this case, it's not as tactile. It's like a little bit harder to press, but it's not bad. But it does take a little bit more effort to press the buttons. I will not lie about that. It does take a little bit more like force to actually press the buttons. Now, how does it fit? Look, man. This one is snug. This is a nice fitting case. Can your wireless charge? I don't doubt you have a problem with it. As you can tell there, you can wireless charge with no problem. It's easy. I didn't think you would have a problem. Which one was your favorite case? The Atomic Slim case, the Thomason Case 3, or do you like the Covert 4 case? I think they're actually both great cases, but that black and green right now looks really good. I think that one is actually my favorite case right now, but I do rock with Covert 4 cases on my other phones. Again, if you want to pick up this case, the links will be in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Pixel 5 and other case reviews coming up. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.